Okay, it's recording, Madison.
I have a toothache. You can't let somebody in. I'm not saying you gotta get me in.
Ooh, look at that cake.
Today, sometime.
It's Tinkerbell.
Mom! Don't hide the cake! Don't hug the cake!
It's a no.
Just for you, Maddie. Just for you.
Maple Grove.
Oh, I thought it was a big camera. Where's the lighter?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's over there on the table, Mama.
I liked her, but the only thing I didn't like...
Right on the back.
Yeah, this lighter is
Dr. White.
Yeah, we're supposed to get some thunderstorms
And,
see if we get them.
But
Maddie, are you 10 years old now?
if you need a root canal, she sent you to Madison. And if you needed a...
Eight more years, that door's gonna swing one way.
She sent you to Madison. Oh, gosh. And I said, what happened to Dennis and Joe? Because I used to have
That's what my dad told me.
that one over there. And eventually when
When you're 18, the door only goes one way. You're an adult.
It'd be worse if it's
Go live your life.
fire.
No, I would do that. I would do that.
Yeah, I just got working.
I guess you're different from...
I'm different from my father. I would not do that.
I know.
I tell people what they
That's what my dad said to me, though. When I was 16. 2 more birthdays, that door's only going to swing one way.
It's like pain. I'll be working in the garage now.
You ready?
It'll be pain. She's like, don't that hurt? I go, yeah, it hurts. Screaming. Is that going to do me any good? I said, yeah, it hurts. And today, I banged her. We were putting up a truss for climbing roses. And
1, 2, ready, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madison. Happy birthday to you. Want the candles?
Okay, you look at yourself. Make a wish!
Okay, just watch. It's going to light up again.